All right, I'm in Little Italy on Clinton Street. I'm gonna go in here, San Francisco sandwiches, and get a veal sandwich.
Which also, COVID also just caused my rehearsal on Thursday to be canceled.
I can't do too spicy. I'm in between.
Okay. See what happened was
So I got the first one, the OG veal sauce. I guess it's $11.99 because I added cheese.
And I guess a lot of people still are off today because it was like I was hearing like
so it's like create your own sandwich. So spicy bomba chili spread, onions, mushroom, roasted pepper, mozzarella. I thought before reading that it looked like sliced potatoes. Provolone. What's a muffaletta and antipasto spread? Just like that would be a nice sandwich on its own. I should have got mushrooms on it, but oh, they have fries. All right, I got my veal sandwich. They've been here since 1954. The original San Francisco sandwiches. Beautifully wrapped sandwich and cut beautifully. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Oh gosh, this looks good. And so the other one. Look at that hot pepper. Ay, ay, ay. Yum. Oh, yeah. How much? Take your bite. Yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna eat before the birds attack me. I love it. The bun is fresh. So soft. Take your bite. Yum, yum, yum.